What is up, my love? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have my face ready because we are going to focus into this beautiful drugstore palette. These are by LA Girl. LA Girl Cosmetics has been a definitely favorite of mine for a very long time. LA Girl is like a pro ass makeup and OG brand that absolutely works amazing, and they launched these two beautiful palettes right here that I want to get into. I'm not sure if I want to do something like more green because we are getting into spring, and look how stunning these are, you guys. They're just so freaking pretty. So here we have the palette main stage, and this is more green, blues, and we do have some purples as well, so you get a little bit of everything. Super pretty. And we also have here the VIP Desert Dream palette. Again, another beautiful super summery spring kind of vibe going on here. We absolutely love that. So let's go ahead and see which one we are getting into today. Okay, you guys, so I think I made up my mind, and I think I want to go for some yellows and browns. It's a tone that I have not touched in a little bit, so let's go ahead and start with this look. I'm going to start with a very basic shade on the crease just to create that base and a transition color where we're going to apply all of the other colors. And I'm probably going to keep this look super matte as well, just because, I don't know, you guys, I really love a matte look. I think it looks so just classic and stunning. And as you can see, I'm just taking that yellow shade and applying it straight into the crease. This shade is called Sunrise, and I think I'm gonna wing it out as well. I just love that elongated kind of look. It works for my almond shaped eyes. It looks really beautiful. So I sort of pack it on the crease, and then I start blending whatever is left on the brush outwards. And one of the reasons why I really love LA Girl products or eyeshadow palettes is because they blend so effortlessly, I swear to you, and they are so affordable as well. And of course, I'm gonna go repeat the same step on this eye, starting with that basic shade as my transition color. And then I'm gonna start packing that yellow right on the crease. And then again, repeat. Once whatever is left on the brush, you're gonna bring it outwards. And of course, you can always apply as much as you want, as far as you want, whatever feels most comfortable to you. I'm just going with whatever looks best on me. But hey, makeup is makeup, and you can apply it however the hell you feel like. And now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of more depth. We're gonna go in with that deep brown, which I'm super scared. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna start adding it right underneath that yellow, right underneath there, and then just blend it in. First, I'm gonna go ahead and pack that baby on just a little tiny bit. I don't want to overdo it. And we also gonna wing this out, kind of creating a very nice blended gradient effect. Hopefully, the way it's applying, ooh, don't like. Yeah, I think the mixture I didn't work out for this shade. Those brighter shades are usually like loose pigment that are just pressed in, and when you apply something on top, it just doesn't blend well. So I think that's what's happening here. Ooh, this is gonna look a little bit this is not looking good, you guys. Let's see if I can pull through. I'm gonna keep going and see what I can do, because so far, not good. So I'm just gonna continue and try to blend it as much as I can. Since this right here, I don't really like care for, because we're gonna clean this up and then apply something else. So don't worry too much. Mainly focus on the crease, which is what we want to look snatched. And I am definitely going back to that yellow just to try to like blend this a bit more to make it look better. You guys, I really wanted this to be a lot darker. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. I think I'm gonna take a pencil brush and just work a little bit more on that crease. I'm thinking of adding the shade for the Glam, which is a lot lighter, a lot warmer. And I'm gonna add that right between that brown and yellow on the crease. And I'm using a small, precise taper blending brush just to add the tiniest bit and more transition. Okay, I think I like this mixture, but I'm also gonna add that yellow one more time right above there just to make sure we don't lose it. Okay, you guys, I think it's definitely taking shape. It's taking form now, and it's looking a lot better. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean this up, and we got ourselves something going on now. Okay. And as always, I do like to use concealer just to clean everything makeup. I think it's, I don't know, to me it's easy, it's quick. Of course some people will think otherwise, but for me it just works. Okay you guys, I just went ahead and cut the crease pretty quickly, I like to say so. But it looks pretty clean. I'm gonna go ahead now and add some neutral shades. I want to keep this neutral and more like summery, easy look. So I'm gonna add the first shade we started with, that basic nude right here, just to set that baby up. I think I'm gonna use the same colors that I'm using, honestly. And then I think I'm gonna go pack on that yellow. So literally I'm gonna be using the same shades. I'm using a little bit of the shade for the Glam. Not liking that shade at all. So we're gonna kind of like cover up with that yellow one more time. Either way, I'm gonna use that as a transition to the darker shade that we're gonna apply. So that super dark shade is gonna take over now. There we go. And I'm just gonna wing that a little bit, and then we're gonna start putting that yellow one more time. And again, just going back and applying that yellow to blend that towards the outer. I'm definitely using this brush and it's way too big for this, but so something quite simple like this, you guys. And then we're gonna go in and add some liquid liner. I'm using this Rarebeauty Liquid liner, which I just got in the mail, and it looks so nice. So let's go put it on. So let's go ahead and create a wing, hope for the best. Like always. And for that inner corners, you guys, I'm actually going to use a brush and some shadow to create an inner wing. And then for the lower lashes, again, I'm using the same steps, you guys, the same shadows. I'm going to add a darker shade onto the lash line, very, very close. And then I'm going to go in and add that yellow. And I'm also adding a little bit of a basic nude right into the edges just to make sure everything looks nice and blended. And this is pretty much the eye look, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye so you guys can get the whole vision of it. I don't know if I'm going to add anything else to it, so wait and see. And we are back, you guys, with the other eye. Finally, let's go ahead and put some lashes on and finish up this look. Put some mascara. And I'm also going to be using some other gel cream liners. They are bomb too, and I think I'm gonna stick to the theme since I'm using yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. These are super like bright, they're like almost neon, very, very nice. I'm gonna apply this on the waterline. As you can see, they pretty much look white, like they look so light like that. Let's go ahead now and apply some lashes. And you guys, I'm gonna go in with this with the lashes by Tatalashes, one of my favorite brand from Instagram. These are the style Bambi. These are definitely my favorite. They're like very wispy and have this style of like that wispy kind of look. Super, super pretty. Gonna go ahead and apply these. And they last super long as well, you guys. Like I had these for so long. I usually wear them like up to 10 times. I swear to God, I really take care of my lashes though. But I really get a lot of wear out of these for sure. And here are the lashes, you guys. Definitely some of my favorites for sure. I'm going to go ahead and kind of finish the face. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara now. I'm going to be using the Sky High Mascara by Maybelline. One of my favorites for sure. Really love this one and how lengthening it is. It's insane. Like, wow. This really brings length for sure. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Then go onto the lips and we're pretty much done. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and applied some mascara, finish off this look basically, and added some lipstick. I mixed a few different lipstick because that's just my thing. I really love mixing lipsticks. So I ended up mixing a few different lipstick. I mixed up a lip liner, a dark brown lip liner, which I absolutely love. And I don't even want to share it because it's no longer available. But any dark brown lip liner, you outline the lips. Then I went ahead and added this Rarebeauty Natural liquid lipstick in the shade Natural, Nearly Natural. Super beautiful lipstick. And then I added on top of it a gloss from Anastasia Hills. This is the shade Tasty. This gloss, I wear it religiously. It is just so bomb. I love it on top of anything. But here is the look, you guys. I really love the way it turned out. Super cute and easy to create, and it's drugstore. I wanted to focus more on the eyes today just because these LA Girl palettes are seriously so freaking bomb. I'm probably gonna do a second look, I'm not sure yet, but if so, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you babes on my next one. Bye.